half of the shit I've been through to get to this moment, but now that I own it, just watch what I do. Cause a nigga like me, not the one to take opportunities lightly. Tryna do the right thing like Spike Lee, but these boys wanna hold me back just to spite me. But I can't entertain everything that says my name. People don't look the same when you use a new frame. Been a lot of change since I stepped up in the game. I let it go up in flames so I can see what remains. I been there, done that, ain't a hobby anymore. Once you pass 5 racks, when you do something new, think I hit my max. Heard pressure buzz pipes, but I see no cracks. Since I'm confessing, since an adolescent, yes, I've been investing into my profession. They pray for depression, but I bring aggression. Is this my obsession? If why is the question, I tell them legends never die. 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 Legends never die.